Habari na sensemo ya South Mugrango litukulia nigo baikirana senseme yuri kunyara gukwanira anene higoro yobonchori ya burgetigo chikokorekana sensemo ya siasa anaso kubwatani ebyama bya siasa omuraya no mubunge kurwa sensemo ya South Mugrango Silvanus Soro baikirana senseme yu amona baraigabande gati yabo yokurige kirgo kyobo senator cross county ya Kisio Kengo nyambadamo no muswati Alischai nigo banyareba ko ameriria nagote abunamba ligochi wanchira no gotigwa kwa monchira rigetigo chokalirwa seyo mabya siasa na sokubwatana na cross coalition nigo chinga kiecho Soro nyarega kumuche kiama kya ODM na gote ya una kiama kinga chikoleta maendra sense ya Kenya anene onye omuraiwe kiama kerero dinga kago chikobo muraibwense asagania bwatani bonsi na boigo na bakenya kumwakera kokona kumwachikura umukonyo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto.
These amendments ambazo zinaendelea bungeni, kama mimi niliweka amendment ya political parties, I want to warn chama cha ODM. You need to be very careful. Some laws are very retrogressive and they'll pain you more than they'll pain us. Kwa sababu mumeambiwa mnalazimisha mpitishe sheria ambayo inaongeza registrar of political parties power. That is a very dangerous thing. In the event that somebody who is your enemy becomes president, if he decides to deregister you from the political party and we have a by-election, you will suffer more than we will suffer. Stop making laws with the mindset of William Ruto. Make laws that help people katika nchi ya Kenya.